Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today basically the first job is we're doing this wheel off a Jaguar, isn't it? Yeah. Off a Jaguar. Got the Jaguar there, and basically you can see there, look, there's a little bit of damage on there. So what we'll do is we'll sand all this down and then fill all the damage you can see here, look. And then we should get this pretty much like a new wheel. So this is how the guys do it on mobile. So basically we turn the van here into a little bit of a spray booth, and you'll soon see that when we're finished, this will be like brand new, guys. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and after video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. Hi TikTokers, so we've just started spraying this now after doing all the prep work. This is the final sort of process now, so it's being sprayed on lightly. About 3 coats of paint will go on here, and then we'll follow with about 3 coats of finish, and this steering wheel will look brand new again. So what I'll do is I'll stop this now, and then we'll show you the end result. Bye for now. Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and as you see, we've finished this wheel now and it's come out absolutely stunning, nice and smooth, and you can see, look, there's absolutely no marks on there at all now. So pretty much like a new wheel. So before you go out spending, you know, 500-600 quid, if it's a classic car and you want your car, you know, the wheel to match your car rather, then give us a call, 07904 640 389. Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and bye for now, folks.